Alright, just got my package in from Dave and Adam's Card World. And to be honest, I would expect a little bit better than that. I mean, the box is smashed. So seriously, there better be something good in here. And a lot of people will just send it back like this, but you know, you never know. Maybe there's something special in here. This is, by the way, 2015-16, last year's Prestige. It's a Black Holiday special, or Black Friday holiday special. 4 autographs per box. Yeah, and the cards are bent, so the corners are all bent. Pierre Jackson, numbered to 199. Too bad he's not in the league anymore. Porzingis rookie. Something in this one. Trey Lyles rookie. Caldwell Pope. Stat Stars, Magic Johnson. And the autograph is Larry Nance Jr., numbered 25 out of 25. It's too bad this one's beat up because that's a pretty nice card. So, number 25 out of 25. It's an on-card auto too. And the corners are all dinged up, so 25 of those in the world, and that's my luck. Stat Stars, Dennis Rodman, numbered to 99. Nice card. Goran Dragic, Prestigious Pros, no numbers. Red version, Jeff Teague, bonus shots, numbered to 199. This pack had 2 numbered cards in it. Bradley Beal. Bonus shots, Jimmy Butler. And sticker autograph of Trey Burke, which it's numbered 41 out of 49. Trey Burke autograph, which, I mean, I've never gotten him. That's a nice looking signature too. This one, the corners aren't bad on this one. This one's alright. I don't think he was a rookie that year. So, not bad. This one looks like it's got another autograph in it. There's a purple bonus shots, Mario Chalmers, numbered to 49. This one's Courtney Lee, Hollis Thompson, Steph Curry, and franchise favorites Julius Erving, not numbered. This one feels a little thicker than the rest of them do. Yep. This one's Chris Bosh, Playmakers, not numbered. And we've got Emmanuel Mudiay. That's nice. This is his rookie Emmanuel Mudiay jersey card. That's nice. I wish I had this last year, but he's coming up pretty soon. I should be able to get him to sign this. This is a nice one. Not really a fan of jersey cards though, but I know I can get this one signed, so that's cool. I wonder if that counts as one of the 4 autographs or memorabilia. So there's 3 of the hits there. This one's got a couple of inserts in it, but I don't think they're autographs, so go ahead and go through them. Avery Bradley, he was just here. I missed him. Kenneth Reed, Draymond Green. Prestigious Pros, Klay Thompson, not numbered. And Rashad Vaughn, rookie. There's Bobby Portis. Prestigious Picks rookie card. It's a pretty nice one. Bulls are coming up soon too, so I'm gonna put that one off to the side. Chris Paul bonus shots, numbered to 99. A lot of numbered stuff in here. Tristan Thompson, Wesley Johnson, Harrison Barnes, Paul Pierce, Tony Parker, Prestigious Passers, not numbered. Paul Pierce bonus shots. I got 2 Paul Pierce cards in the same pack. This one's numbered to 199. There you go. Got the base version and the bonus shots version, the red variation. Last pack, this should have a hit in it. And it feels thick, so it's another jersey. Okay. Got David West, number to 199. Pau Gasol, I mean. Aaron Aflalo, Mario Chalmers, Carmelo Anthony, and nice patch card. Karl Anthony Towns. Rookie patch. Look at that. Numbered 18 out of 25. This guy doesn't sign autographs, so this is probably as close as I can get. That is pretty nice. We've got 4 colors on that patch. We've got the green jersey, black, silver, and white. Try to get up in there close. Keep pulling off to the wrong side. That's pretty nice. 18 out of 25. Patch. But being that this is a rookie card, it's probably not game worn. It's probably something he wore at a photo shoot or something, or I don't know, just let's see what it says. Player worn material. That's all it says. They used to have specifics like when they wore it and what they wore it for. A lot of them were game worn and stuff. So there we go. We got a nice Towns patch, Emmanuel Mudiay rookie jersey, Trey Burke numbered to 49, and a really nice. Last year I would have been really excited to pull this card. Larry Nance Jr. 25 out of 25. So there we go.